Right, pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up. There you go, love. You got a fish on. Yes. Bring him in, my lippy. Bring him in. Bring him in. There we go. Very nice, my love. Your first bass.
Well done.
Your first bass. Very nice, my love.
Ik denk dat hij hard is.
You don't want to hold him. Okay. Come this way with me. Alright, we got our first bass ever. She did very well. And it's not a bad looking specimen, huh? Beautiful bass. You want to give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy. Time to send you back home. Woo! Very nice. High five, love. Well done.